Beautiful 1964 Buick Riviera. I say this every time I get a Riviera. It is the perfect combination of muscle car and luxury cruiser. Just beautiful car. Love the color. This car is all numbers matching. The numbers on the engine match the numbers on the VIN number. You know, everything matches together. Beautiful car. So it's the original 465 Wildcat. Factory air conditioning, power windows, bucket seats, everything you want. And a Buick Riviera is right here. She runs and drives great. Sounds awesome. Just a really, really nice car. Factory mags. Look at the inside of this car. Buckets. The seats are beautiful. Tilt wheel, air conditioning, power windows, all the modern conveniences in this 1964 Buick Riviera. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.